Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be your favorite Philippine expat, Bianca in Japan. And today, we are going to go to a very special place here in Kanagawa, Ken. We are going to the Retro Jihanki. Woo! Let's go! Wow! So those are drinks. Udon. 27 seconds per udon. It's yummy. It's yummy. It reminds me of the burgers back in the Philippines. Definitely not McDonald's or Burger King quality, but it's a burger, it's good. It fills you up. Okay. Taste test. Okay. I got the spicy one, but it's not spicy. All in all, it's pretty good. If you're hungry and you're on the go, it's pretty good. This ramen is cooked. It has soup. It has chashu ramen. It is so fantastic. It's amazing. Wow. Okay. So let's taste. It's good. It's actually good. It's not 5-star quality, but it's good. It hits the spot. Great. 10 out of 10. So we just came back from the retro jihanki place, and here are my thoughts on it. So when we arrived, I was so surprised because the area was so big. Actually, there's no place like this abroad. It's only in Japan, from what I know of, where you can get food right out of a vending machine, where it comes out and it's fully prepared. And wow, that is so amazing. That is so unique to Japan. So guys, if you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe to Bianca in Japan so we can make more videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!